Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on airplane mode on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. So if you're traveling and someone has asked you to put your mobile phone in airplane mode, then let me show you how to do this. Now there are two ways to put this mobile phone in airplane mode. The first and the most easiest way is by bringing down the notification bar. And now you're going to go ahead and find the airplane symbol, which looks like that. Go ahead and tap on this, and this will turn on airplane mode. In airplane mode, Wi-Fi and your mobile signal will be stopped completely. And at the top here, you'll see the airplane mode icon, which means that you're in airplane mode. Now to turn it off, go ahead and tap on this, and this will turn off airplane mode. After that, your Wi-Fi and your mobile data will be switched on. Now the second way of turning on and turning off airplane mode is by going into settings. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you see more connectivity options. From here, you want to go ahead and find airplane mode, which looks like that. Go ahead and toggle the switch to the right hand side, and this will turn on airplane mode. To turn it off, go ahead and toggle it to the left hand side. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on and turn off airplane mode on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.